There are many products available to choose cookie scoops, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cookie scoops from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Saebye Cookie Scoop. The Saebye Cookie Scoop is everything a cookie scoop should be. It's easy to use, efficient, and makes beautiful uniform cookies. This scoop holds 2.4 tablespoons of dough, which yields a cookie 3 inches in diameter. The trigger handle is designed for easy dough release. Just push the lever with your thumb, and the dough is gently released. Scoop is designed so that residual dough won't get left behind in the scoop. The grooved purple handle adds a pop of color and is comfortable for most hand sizes. The scoop bowl is made from 18/8 stainless steel, which means it's durable and easy to clean. The scoop is dishwasher safe even in restaurant-grade dishwashers, but you should use a gentle dishwasher detergent. Number 2. Wilton Small Cookie Scoop. For those looking for a scoop that's a great bargain, the Wilton stainless steel cookie scoop is the best cookie scoop. It can hold up to 4 teaspoons, and it has a squeeze spring handle that makes it easy to release the cookie dough. It's durably made of stainless steel, however, the brand recommends hand washing it in warm soapy water rather than putting it in the dishwasher to extend its lifespan. At less than $10, it's an affordable option that allows you to make cookies that are uniform in size. Number 3. OXO Small Cookie Scoop. The OXO Good Grip Small Cookie Scoop is the best cookie scoop for making small cookies. Its simple yet ergonomic design comes with a spring-loaded squeeze handle and a stainless steel scoop that holds approximately 2 tablespoons of cookie dough, which makes 2-inch cookies. The handle is a matte black and designed for quick and easy release. Just squeeze the handle and the cookie dough is placed on the cookie sheet with no leftover dough sticking to the bowl. The scoop is dishwasher safe and heat resistant. The only downside is due to its size. The bowl scraper does not work well with chocolate chip cookie dough, as the chunks can be too bulky for the trigger. This scoop works much better with chipless dough such as sugar cookies or snickerdoodle cookies. Number 4. Junadael Cookie Dough Scoop. If you love to make big cookies, the Junadael 5.5 tablespoon cookie dough scoop is the best cookie scoop. This scoop holds 5.5 tablespoons of dough to make uniform cookies close to 4 inches in diameter. This scoop is fantastic for making large cookies with the family, whether enjoying with a tall glass of milk or to make ice cream. Sandwiches. With its gear-triggered thumb press, cookies are easily expelled from the cookie scoop. It's dishwasher safe and built for professional or at-home use. It's also versatile enough it can be used for other foods as well. The handle, however, is very slender for the scoop's overall size, so depending on hand size, it could be awkward to hold. Number 5. Homure H Cookie Scoop Set. The Homure H Cookie Scoop Set comes with 3 scoops to make a variety of different size cookies for all occasions. It provides 3 separate cookie scoops, including a 1 tablespoon scoop, a 2 tablespoon scoop, and a 3 tablespoon scoop. The squeeze handle makes them easy to use, and the non-slip grip of the handle provides comfort and security even with the stickiest dough. The bowl is made from high-quality 18/8 stainless steel that fights corrosion. Each scoop is efficient, practical, and comfortable to use. Due to the range and size, the set can be used for multiple cookie and baking options. All included, cookie scoops are dishwasher safe. It is advised to not use these scoops on firm dough as it can damage the scraper. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.